Imagine walking through a virtual marketplace where you can actually talk to shopkeepers, check out real products, and play games while you shop.
That's what Dukan 360 is all about. It's not just an app, it's a whole digital world. Business owners set up their own 3D shops, add their products, and promote with real-time ads and voice chat. As a customer, you can browse, talk directly to sellers, and even leave premium reviews that boost a shop's visibility. And for gamers, you get a full multiplayer shooting game to explore while earning rewards. For sellers, open a shop for just $50.
Promote your business using promotion boards located throughout the market.
Each ad costs just 20 coins, and you can get 100 coins for only $2.99.
From coins and promotions to voice-powered shopping and customizable avatars,
Dukan 360 takes e-commerce to the next level.